Hi, welcome to the Customization of Corpus-Based MT Engines tutorial series. If you scarce linguistic resources, you may use the IATE extraction tool to download a specific glossary. First, enter the main website of the IATE. You may also make online searches, but by now just go ahead and click on Download. The IATE will provide you with a full description of the process. For this task, we require two files, the IATE database and its corresponding extraction tool. After the download, you can go ahead and open the application. On the Select IATE Export file, indicate the location of the IATE download file on your desktop. Then set the Extract Output folder. Choose the languages and the domain you are interested in and click on Start. After the extraction task is over, you can go ahead and open it on a text editor. However, for this case, it's best to edit our glossaries in Excel. Excel is not compatible with TBX files. Thus, change the extension of the glossary to XML format and open it in Excel. Excel is not compatible with TBX files. Thus, change the extension of the glossary to XML format and open it in Excel. Mind the fact that you will be required to eliminate any unnecessary columns with additional translations or term statuses. There you go, we have successfully downloaded a glossary from the IATE. Make sure to choose the desired terms and save it as explained in Tutorial 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like it. MT Technology for everyone.